Shalom, shalom. It's your brother Wasilkamilbey. Hey man, we got another video. And we like to say, for the record, we reserve our United States constitutional rights, freedom of speech, and everything that ride with it. And title of this video, stop paying her to be a woman. Stop paying her to be a woman. You know what I mean? Stop it. Stop paying for shit. Stop paying for her deficiencies, and we finna show you now. We finna show you why with this story.
Wanted the money back.
What's this all about? When did you make this loan to her?
I met Monica like 4 years ago. She was bartending in a club. I met her. We went out for 3 years.
On and off.
She had a problem with her breast implants.
That's what that was for.
One of her breast implants was leaking. She came up to me one day at work in Manhattan, Times Square. She said,
one of these titties, her titties was leaking. You know what I mean? Her bags, and this nigga paid for that shit. She would have been a leaking bitch. Came and fuck with me. You know what I mean? I would have said, hey man, put a patch on that shit. Patch that shit or put a bicycle patch on that bitch.
Yeah,
she had a big problem. But so she needed the money. She only got a consultation in Manhattan. And we went the next day and we got it done.
All right.
I had to sign a promissory note.
Oh, yeah, promissory note. Let me see that. Good.
thanks.
Thank you, Miss Holly. We have a promissory note. You get repaid?
No, she got the operation. That next day I was with her. I paid for the cabs home, everything was taken care of. But this was a big problem.
Basically, this says you and she acknowledge the receipt of $6,500, and she promises to pay you back in 3 months.
Yes.
Okay, and you haven't received it. Let's go to the defendant now. Defend yourself.
We were dating, and he wanted to help me. I didn't ask for help at that time. And right after, I was going to pay.
The bitch didn't ask for help, but she sure didn't turn it down, now did she? That's every bitch.
Back as soon as I got a job, but I had medical problems, health problems for a long time. So how can I repay someone when I'm not working? I never said I wasn't going to repay him. So I don't understand why he has to sue me like right away now. What about the time when he crashed into my car and I don't have evidence?
Into your car?
He totaled my car in front of his apartment and he lied about it. And that's more money than...
How long ago was that?
This was about 2 years ago.
Well, did you sue him?
No, because I didn't have evidence.
Well, if you don't have evidence, you don't have the suit.
I knew that it was him. But that's not enough for the court.
Yeah, you just knew. Of course it's not. You gotta be able to prove it.
Yeah, I must have gave her over $100,000 in all that.
Well, I didn't ask you for it.
$100,000?
Just paying for everything.
I didn't ask him for any money.
This nigga gave her 100,000 racks. You hear that? 100,000 racks. 100,000 racks. For what? A leaking breast. Get the fuck out of here, man.
Nextel phone for the last 4 years. The Nextel phone.
You offered the money.
$150 a month for the last 4 years.
Wait a minute. Wait. Don't run that on me. Your last job was as a bartender.
That's right.
What were you doing before that?
I used to work in different fields of businesses.
There was a pole in your line of business, one of those brass poles?
Yes, maybe there was.
Yeah. Now, did you let that happen to you when somebody was in receipt of your performance, your talents, shall we say? You were pretty strict on collecting your money when it was due, whether or not the guy had gotten a little too full of it. You didn't give him any slack.
We'll be back with more Judge Joe Brown in a moment. We're back with Judge Joe Brown. The plaintiff in this case says he paid to fix his ex-girlfriend's breast implants when they began leaking. He says he's given the defendant nearly $100,000 during their relationship, and now he just wants some of it back. Let's take a look.
Go ahead.
He offered to me, and
He
it was.
offered it to you.
Yes, he did.
Well, just because
He-
you
he
all
promised
get offered
to
something,
help
you
me
don't
and
have
take care
to
of
take
me.
it, do you?
No,
What do you have here? Why'd you sign that?
that was a big mistake.
You say in your answer, I shouldn't have to pay for this because I knew when I got it that he was cheating on me. That's what you say.
Yeah,
How do you know
yeah.
he was cheating on you?
Well, it just he changed. He just got very nasty towards me, abusive, and that's a sign that a person doesn't have respect for you. I mean, what else do you need? And when they lie, they try to make you crazy all the time.
Make you crazy.
Yeah, well, look at
Well,
him.
you signed this before you got the benefit.
Somebody has
That was joking around. I never thought
That's
he was
not
going to take
joking
me to
around.
court for something stupid like that.
Well, what do you call it? Stupid.
He was not the only option that I had.
Oh,
if I
he
wasn't
wasn't.
working,
Then
if
why'd
I wasn't
you take
working,
his
because he
option?
tried to push the money.
He pushed it on
Yes, he did.
you. So
Let me tell y'all something. Y'all ready for this? This is the message to all the single fathers out here. You ain't seeing your daughters or your sons because that bitch still love you. Alright? She still love you and she got that new nigga as the simp using him. Okay? So this the thing. But she has a simp that has children and is on child support. But this the thing I want y'all to see, fellas. Us as single fathers, we can get a woman who don't have children because you can always start over. You know what I mean? And do not commit suicide and kill yourself over a build-a-bitch or a third-class citizen or a bitch that always needs help. Women don't have resources. If they do have resources, it's a man that gave it to them. Think about that. Put on your thinking cap, fellas. It's not that hard.
what's the problem? You were just trying to do him like you were doing your former customers. He was
my
just
God.
smart enough not to
I
get,
have nothing else to say
that
because
pulled off on him.
I don't know where you got this information from.
Well, did you dance or
No, I
not?
didn't.
No, Your Honor,
A long
she did
time
dance,
ago.
but she wasn't topless.
What are you
or
talking
nothing.
about?
It was nothing.
Wasn't topless, huh?
Now he's lying again.
There was no.
Listen, why don't you
He's
just
trying to
be
help you
quiet?
out.
I am trying to help her out.
And by
Being a simp, you know what I mean? She dancing topless and titty leakage going everywhere. You know what I mean? That's disgusting, man. A strip club ain't nothing but a whorehouse. If I were ever to go to the strip club, I'm going to go get me some head. And put on 2 condoms, okay? I'm going to get me some head if I ever go back to the strip club. If I'm desperate, get some head and get some pussy. That's the only reason why y'all go. You know what I mean? That's the only reason why y'all supposed to be going. You ain't supposed to be going to look at a naked woman because you can stay at home and look at that shit on the porno or go buy your magazine. You go there to fuck, okay? And if you're paying no more than $5, you're getting cheated. If you pay over $5 for pussy, you have been cheated, okay? Remember this shit on this channel.
He already got
by
his
the
help
way,
a long
if
time
you
ago.
knew when you got the money from him that he
I
was running
didn't.
around on
I
you, why'd
didn't.
you take the money?
I didn't know.
Why, wait, you say that in your sworn answer?
Oh, this is.
When I operation, I suspected Donnie was cheating on me and we broke up. I don't think I owe him anything,
When
especially after he cheated on me. Let's do this. How many of you think she should pay him back?
Watch
Yes,
this
if
shit.
you do, no, if you don't. Wow.
Yeah. You don't even look at me.
He would have been stupid if he hadn't gotten his promissory note. He was.
Now look at that. 74 say yes, 26 say no. And I'm finna hit y'all with something. All those are women. There's some men in this audience this time. And all the men over here. And the women that has common decency is over here. Ain't that fucked up? Ain't that some fucked up shit? Think about that. Never pay a woman to be a mother, man. I mean, a mother or a woman. Stop paying for shit. She's supposed to pay for your company, fellas. You are the prize. Your cock. Okay? Because at the end of the day, all pussy feels the same. You either have dry pussy or you have wet pussy. All pussy feels the same. It's a lie. They've been lying to you. I got the bomb ass pussy. No. No. You either been ran through or you tight or you a virgin. There's no in between, fellas. You been lied to. If the bitch ain't bringing you nothing, you know, I'm just being honest. And I don't give a fuck who don't like these videos. You can go to hell and go fuck Satan. You know what I mean? Anyway. Excuse me. Excuse me. Alright, I'm gonna go over the Constitution a little bit. The person, right? Name. The word by which a person, place, or thing is called. So you go into court, they call your what? Your name, right? Person is a name, correct? It's gonna be short, brief, and simple, straight to the point. Cause we got everybody that wanna Google shit. These ignorant If you just Google shit, that means you lazy. You gonna get your ass whooped in the courtroom. And if for people telling you not to go to federal court because they dumb, stupid, retarded, can't fucking read, and ain't did shit in their whole lifetime. Yeah, I said it. You want to set up a podcast? Let's do it, motherfucker. Fuck all the back and forth videos and shit. Let's get to it. Be a fucking man. It's time to man up. The right of the people to be secure in their what? Persons. And you got the Bible that says persons. Hold on. Let me read this. Let me go back. Houses, papers, effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated. Hey, it said it shall not, right? But did it say it will not? Come on now. I need y'all to put on your thinking caps right now. And no warrant shall issue. Shall issue. But upon probable cause supported by oath or affirmation. Right? And particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. Alright, we're going to go with Obadiah. It's 11 persons, right? I'm just using the example as persons. When they call your name, that's your person. That is your property. Okay? It's not hard, fellas. It is not hard. Stop listening to niggas who cannot read and listen to, well, get shit off of Google, okay? I went to paralegal school, and I was once told, we don't give a fuck if you call yourself a paralegal, lawyer, whatever. If you do not read these books, you will not get a remedy. It's just that simple, okay? It's just that simple. But these bitches is beating y'all. These third-class citizens is whooping y'all ass right now. Because they reading these law books and they have power in the legal field. But they don't have power in the law field. Because through the laws of nature, we rule her. She was made for us. Okay? Plain and simple. Simple and plain. Okay? Yeah. Motherfuckers on here just being all difficult like a bitch. Right?
Now let's see the 12-0 breakdown. 10-2, that's all we need. Majority wins. And I'm not bound by that, but that's a special verdict. I agree with it anyway. 5,000 in the court cost. Thanks, you win. There you go.
Thanks, Judge.
Now he won that 5,000. Now, let's get the Gucci Man's baby mama with her bitch ass. You know what I mean? Look at that. Look at that right there. Blow that up. Let me blow that up. This nigga cutting this cake with a goddamn sword. Man, I like to see people doing good. You know what I mean? This is the most and the greatest YouTube channel. You know what I mean? We like to see people doing good. And if it's anybody out there getting these testimonies for your child support case or whatever, not your child support case, against her child support case, file against you, hit us up. We can put that on there and make it happen. You know, we want to spread the winning and the wealth, because this is the winner's circle. All right, we get results over here. You know what I mean? We got people that's jealous of us. Okay, but that's not our business, and they learning at the same time too. And we love y'all. We love y'all. We praying for y'all. You know, we praying that y'all be successful one day. You know, get off your motherfucking ass, pick up a goddamn book. You know, stop bitching and stop letting these goddamn third fucking class citizens whoop your ass in the goddamn courtroom. How a bitch gonna tell you what you gonna do for your child, your daughter and your son? Right? That's how you know a bitch is weak, if she gotta go get an old fake ass nigga in a Goodwill suit talking about the law. Well, oh, this legal, this, and come on now. Anyway, let's get to Gucci Mane's baby mama. This old sorry hoe want him. This bitch want $20,000 to be a mother. Gucci Mane's baby mama, Sheena Evans, is requesting. So we already know what requesting means. That's a petition. The bitch is begging because she over here butthurt because don't nobody want her stinking ass. Well, I take that back. You got a lot of simps that like leftovers. Only simps use leftovers. That's going to be another video. Simps use leftovers. Only simps do. They only fuck with leftovers. You know what I mean? Real talk. Anyway, requesting that the child support for their youngster Keithon be increased $20,000 a month, as indicated by a report by The Blast. In 2011, Evans gained primary custody of their child. Gucci, who was given visitation rights, was requested to pay $2,000 a month, right, in child support. This was based on the rapper's income at the time, which was roughly about $24,000 a month. As per Count Records, Evans asserts there has been a significant, change in circumstances since 2011. Gucci's $1 million wedding, and it's special that aired on BET are among the various cases referred to as evidence of his ability to cough up more than $2K he's currently providing. See, I hate motherfuckers that's pocket watchers. Jealous because they dumb as fuck. Don't want to pick up a goddamn book and get off their ass and use their hands and fucking read. Up here hating on the next man's success and shit. Success cannot be discredited. Okay? The truth cannot be discredited. We got some goddamn testimonies coming. We stay with them. You know what I mean? Evans is supposedly unfit to work or go to class as their child requires a caregiver which she can't afford. Okay. She is unfit if she asking for 20 racks. In addition to the $18K increase she's requesting in child support, she's likewise requesting that Gucci Mane take out a $5 million life insurance policy. That sounds like a setup, like somebody trying to kill him, right? As of August 27, no judgment has been presented in this defense. What's up, fellas? Stop paying these hoes to be a woman. Stop paying these hoes deficiencies. Stop it. They need to be paying you, fellas, because think about it. You provide food, shelter, protection, muscle, you know what I mean? Dick, your time, your energy to entertain her foolishness. Because as a woman gets older, she gets more foolish and retarded and stupid. Real talk. You need to get a bitch in her golden years. You know, when that pussy wasn't swollen. Now, hit us up if you want to commit suicide. You want to get off this child support shit. Fuck with us. 512-663-3815. wasilkamil@gmail.com. You know what I mean? Haters, share, subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to do. Shit, we don't give a fuck. You can't stop this success over here. You know why? Because we was born with it. Okay? So, hey, if you can't beat us, you might as well join us. Because hating ain't gonna get you nowhere. Peace.